Hi, today I'm showing you how to unblock phone number on your LG Q6. First of all, go into phone application, like for calling. Then in this application, click in the right corner and find call settings. Then into call settings we tap call blocking and decline with message. And here we got blocked numbers. And here we can see what numbers we have blocked, and click for this number. We can edit for this number, and here we can delete this number in the right corner. Remove this number, confirm application, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.